Way up high where no one sees, there floats a school among the trees. No roof, no floor, no classroom wall, just learning fun, and that's not all. Professor Pickle, oh so smart, teaches with a dancing chart. Invisible books and floating pens, he turns kids into clever friends. Let's learn and giggle with Professor Pickle. He wears a tie, a monocle too, and rides a desk that flies through blue. Math with jelly beans, science with jam, he even taught a singing clam. Professor Pickle, oh so wise, tells stories that surprise our eyes. Invisible chalk on a chalkboard wide, let's read the stars, he said with pride. Let's learn and giggle with Professor Pickle. History class with time machine hats, art with noodles and talking cats. Invisible school but oh so bright, with glowing books and firefly light. He opens minds with every rhyme and dances through the test of time. Questions big or questions small, he always answers one and all. Professor Pickle, you're the best, teaching kids from east to west. With invisible friends and a floating hall, we love your school most of all. Let's learn and giggle with Professor Pickle. So if you feel a breeze on your nose, maybe that's our invisible school, flying close. Learning is magical with Professor Pickle.